This is Sarah and Mark. Mark got a new job and is excited about moving cross-border, but this time from the US to Canada. After browsing online, Mark finds Worldwide, a division of Mini Moves specializing in cross-border moves to Canada and Mexico. From a few items, a room of furniture, a full apartment, or a small home and seamless service options, Worldwide is exactly what he needs. Sarah is thrilled by the simple quote process. Worldwide provides an all-inclusive quote, so there are no surprises later. With Worldwide, they get a dedicated move coordinator who's there to guide them every step of the way. No detail overlooked. On moving day, the movers arrive to carefully pack belongings. Fragile items are wrapped with special care, and furniture is securely padded. Frames and mirrors are wrapped for protection. Whether it's moving from the US to Canada, Mexico, or anywhere in between, Worldwide takes care of all customs transportation clearances, so Sarah and Mark don't have to worry. When they arrive, Worldwide handles everything, from unloading to reassembling and arranging each piece just where they want it. Their new home is move-in ready. With Worldwide, moving across borders isn't just stress-free, it's a fresh start done right. Ready for your next move? Call 866-437-3093 for a smooth journey to your new home.